Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to crank this Camaro up out here at the airport today. Oh, this thing's fast. We'll do a quick walk around. Let me zoom out. This thing has aluminum heads. It's just a wonderful car. It's a hot rod car. It'll go faster than I want to go. I believe it's about 450 horsepower. I got two of these Camaros, and I hope you can hear how good it sounds. Okay, I'm going to open the hood, so just hold on right there for a second. This is a 400 cubic inch. I'm trying the right button here. Anyway, it has dark aluminum heads. Just a beast to drive. Had air. At one time there's no compressor on it. So it'd have to have another compressor and a few other things before it could have cold air. It is a real Z28. Okay. That's it. We'll go down the road.